how to upload a video to Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can upload a video to Instagram. Uploading videos to Instagram is a great way to share moments, showcase your creativity, and engage with your followers. You can post videos in different ways, as regular posts, as stories, or as reels. All right. So if you want to post videos on Instagram, for example, on your Instagram feed, just go to the bottom part of the screen and click on the plus icon, and then you'll be taken to the to your posting page. And here, just go ahead and select a video that you'd like to post. You can just go to recent, click on the recent icon, and then you'll be asked to choose an album. Here you can decide to choose an album. You can decide to check out your photos, just check out or wherever. Just ensure you select the video that you would like to post. So after selecting the video, move to the top right corner, click on the next icon, and then you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, you can decide to edit the video or not. And move to the lower right corner, click on next, and then you'll be taken to your post page. On this page, you can see tag, audience, all right, all of that. You can add all of these, and then once you're done, move to the bottom right corner again and click on share, and then just like that, the video will be uploaded and it will be seen on your profile as one of your posts. All right, so this is one of the ways that you can upload a video. Then you can also add videos to your Instagram story. This is a very interesting way, because on Instagram story, you can decide to record a video. All right, you can decide to record a video, or you can just decide to choose a video from your video list. And to do so, find your way to your Instagram story and move it to the top left corner where you can see this your story. Click on the plus icon, and then on this page you can see camera, draft, etc. So by clicking on camera, you'd have to take a video of yourself, record a live video, and post it on your story if you want. Or you can just still go ahead and select a video that you would like to post, and then you can see the option your story and your close friends at the bottom part of the screen. And by the top part of the screen also, you'll see other icons representing different things that you can add to the video. So you can just select your story, all right, and then it will be added to your story automatically. So this is how you can add videos, upload videos to your Instagram account or on Instagram. Thank you for watching and have a good day.